blockchain calculation being the middle phase of 1inch. The whole peculiarity and major focal point of this digital money is the programmability and capability as by and large decentralized finance total specialist co-opus 1inch trade, which is very huge. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash point of view and utilize 1inch for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations and applications, to give some examples, which can be based on the stage execution of tasks under unambiguous circumstances to guarantee ease of use, security, and usefulness. 1inch certainly has explicitly acquired amazing importance. Before we start with definite 1inch cost expectation, actually take a look at the outline. 1inch that for the most part has a significant effect. 1inch conveyed numerous tokens. Nonetheless, the local token 1inch became well known as an administration and utility token, and 1inch cost conjectures related news began circling on the lookout. The most important element that impels development is the cost of the 1inch token, making the speed and reasonableness that empower faster execution enhancements, bringing about quicker and for the most part secure exchanges. The 1inch convention gives the stage to exchanging tracking down in a real sense the best arrangements across numerous decentralized trades. Such trading empowers a holding, an association for blockchain with Ethereum, and brokers getting to 1inch through others like Polygon benefit tremendously, which is genuinely critical. Clients additionally benefit from this trade chain of wallets to store their resources in view of token cost. The 1inch test system. The very previously mentioned move of trading digital forms of money gives 1inch clients admittance to especially a few Polygon-based liquidity sources that at first incorporate Bend, SushiSwap, QuickSwap, AV2, and so on. Layer 2 scaling arrangements, for example, Polygon in every way that really matters, are focal in the DeFi space to the development of this especially token and for the most part work with quicker and basically less expensive exchanges by running equal organizations or sidechains close by the primary Ethereum blockchain, which generally is genuinely huge. Venture 1inch alludes to a characterized set of rules and specialized determinations to speed up the reception of decentralized finance through blockchain innovation among undertakings advancing liquidity mining. 1inch value forecasts, market feeling, which is genuinely critical. 1inch can be a productive speculation choice in the DeFi area. In view of our 1inch cost forecast 2022, the Truly token could cross 16 cents. A drawn-out increment is likewise expected. The cost visualization for 2026 is 5 cents. In light of the most recent news updates and figures, it is a fundamentally extraordinary opportunity to put resources into 1inch tokens as it might in a real sense cross $5.21 in 1 year. Or so they thought. An aggressive bullish viewpoint for 2022 has been made by our estimate, making 1inch a beneficial speculation on a crypto expectation site in the year's blast. It claims 2022 will be an immaculate year for 1inch on the trade, and the estimated most exorbitant cost will be around $2.82 to enter 2022 during a similar period. In view of our 1inch future cost figure information, the token could stretch around $325.22 before the current year's over, and by 2025, it might reach $1,434.20. 1inch value forecasts, 2022 to 2026. At the hour of composing this crypto cost estimate, the ongoing cost of 1inch most certainly is exchanging around $1.28, and information shows that the token has been in an upswing for the beyond 1 year, with a circling supply of 412,981,641 inch. The 24 hours volume especially has been $56,930,957.33 with a market capitalization of $529,987,196.47. The cost conjectures explicitly bring a few factors into account, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparable coins. 1inch value forecast 2022, keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that 1inch is ready for a rise even in the year next, 2022, following the moving example against USD, particularly the manner in which it is exchanging inside the bounds of a balanced triangle on the graph. It for the most part is clear that 1inch also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting $3.70 cost mark, making it an important venture. 1inch value expectation 2023, going by the examination of short and long haul cost patterns. Almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be completely ideal for 1inch cost for acceleration, particularly with other crypto rivals making up for lost time intensity or markets playing especially stowaway and especially look for on the outline. There is a determined possibility of 1inch causing a misfortune, however just pitiful, dropping to $4.40, which is very critical. 1 value expectation 2024. Once more expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market, it is gauged that 1 would in a real sense rule the crypto realm with an exhibition of cost fixed at $5.10. This is identical to the very that certainly was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which shows 1 can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances in contrast with other digital currencies like BTC and ETH. 1 value forecast 2025. This year could check as the benchmark year as 1 coin cost really is anticipated to outperform $6 by for the most part implies, primarily in light of the fact that this year, no vital elements like pandemic or downturn sort of are supposed to shake the foundations of world economy. And it essentially is guessed that the majority of the harm done to the coin would be making a course for fixed work in every world economy. 1 value forecast 2026. It sort of isn't not exactly extraordinary information. What started with a 1 cost of $1 basically finished with a $2.50 mark, or so they thought. Subsequently, it explicitly has supported the market feeling peculiarity definitely, which is very critical. Merchants and financial backers generally have begun wagering on the long run for the 1 development following its worth intently as a speculation choice. Subsequently, the 1 cost expectation 2026 remaining parts very reassuring, expressing that the cost could leap to $6.20 by December, which is genuinely huge. 1 value expectation past 2026, which is very huge. Master brokers of tokens generally plan for kind of long-haul gain instead of present moment because of the component of instability. With a touch of tolerance in keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back by 1 token toward the finish of 2026, as the reception of the coin would develop dramatically. By when 1 would be not anymore a gullible participant in the realm of digital forms of money. In any case, a carefully prepared player crossing costs $3.32 on the diagram, making it exceptionally beneficial incredibly. Does 1 have a future in an unpretentious manner? 1 fundamentally is one digital money that will have a savvy and truly splendid future driving the cost on the lookout. Riding the crypto wave, it will govern the computerized realm, thus for the purpose of installment, it would basically have a long rule for merchants. Is 1 a very wise speculation? Indeed. Nonetheless, a reasonable level of investment is generally fitting to post-perusing the market diagram for cost expectation, watching the interest and supply rise and fall patterns, in opposition to mainstream thinking. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any misrepresented assumptions required. On the off chance that you make an insightful venture in light of cost expectation, essentially keep a watch on the site. Is 1 a trick or genuine? Notwithstanding all discussions and contentions, 1 uncovers an exceptionally solid and dynamic indication of a biological system for speculation. You, in every way that really matters, are encouraged to follow